In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule an Instagram post. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You first need a professional account, so go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you're on the profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you see the option that says for professionals. It'll say something else for you if you're not already a professional account, but it'll be the same option called account type and tools. And for you, you'll see something that says tap switch to professional account, and then you want to complete the setup steps. But once your account is ready, you can back out of these settings and tap the plus button in the top left and then select post. Choose the photo or video you want to upload and then press the top right arrow to go next. You can add any filters, music edits, captions, tags, or any other details you'd like. But before pressing share, you're going to want to scroll down until you see more options. Tap on this, and under sharing preferences, you will see an option that says schedule this post. Tap on this and you can select a date and time from here. And once you do that, you can press done, back out of it, and then back out of the more options and press schedule. Your post will now be automatically published at the selected time. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.